Good day to all. Last session we saw what is motion. We defined the words distance and displacement. Now today we will see that there are different types of motion. In our day-to-day life we see objects moving in different speeds, in different ways. Now today here we will explain the broad categories of types of motion as uniform and non-uniform motion. Here in this you can see that the blue car is moving with the same speed throughout, whereas the yellow car is changing its speed every now and then. We say that the blue car is in uniform motion, whereas the yellow car is in non-uniform motion, because the blue car is moving with the same distance in same time, whereas the yellow car is moving different speeds and covering different distances in same amount of time. So we say yellow car is in non-uniform motion. Shall we describe and define the words uniform and non-uniform motion? Now in this picture you can see a person covering 5 kilometer distances, and for each 5 kilometer it is taking 1 hour to complete that distance. So we say that the object or the person is covering equal distance in equal intervals of time, and so we say that it is in uniform motion. Shall we see a few examples? Uniform motion examples: the rotation of the blades of a ceiling fan that keeps moving with the same speed unless and until you change its regulator. The motion of the hands of a clock. Every time that you see that it will be maintaining its time, its seconds will be moving with the same speed. Similarly, a car going in a straight road, a ship steaming on a straight course at a steady speed. See, you need to remember that they are mentioning here steady speed. That means the same speed throughout. If it is not mentioned, it means it can go in a steady speed or may not go also. So unless and until you say it is a steady speed, it is in non-uniform motion. The earth moving around the sun. Similarly, let us define what is non-uniform motion. Again, the same person is covering first 1 hour is covering 5 kilometer and the next 4 kilometers in 1 hour. So here the object or the person is covering an equal distance in equal intervals of time, and so we say that it is a non-uniform motion. A few examples of non-uniform motion: a person jogging in a park. He cannot maintain his speed in the same way throughout. His energy level may decrease, sometimes may increase. So depending on the energy level, the person may jog, and so it is a non-uniform motion. A car moving in a crowded road. Crowded road cannot make the car to maintain its speed. It has to increase or decrease depending on the situations. The tires of the vehicle. In a straight road, if it moves, they may move in the same speed, whereas when it comes to turnings, it may change. So it is a non-uniform motion. A horse pulling a cart. Again, same as the person jogging, a horse also cannot maintain its speed throughout. The motion of a ball rolling down at an inclined plane. Inclined plane, the one that is slanting. So when a ball moves in a slanting or an inclined plane, you see that the ball may increase its speed. When we throw the ball slowly, it increases its speed, and then when it reaches down the plane, it moves a little further and then stops. That is because its energy has increased, the speed has increased, and it takes time to go and stop. So every time in our daily life, whenever we see anything in motion, let us think about it and categorize them into these two broad categories as uniform or non-uniform motion. Thank you, children. We'll come with the next topic in the next session. Bye.